Good morning, everyone. Here is your chapter 1, The Man Who Fought Windmills, adapted from Don Quixote by Miguel de Cervantes. Many years ago, a story was written about a man in Spain who lived in a castle. He wanted to be a hero and help people in danger. This man wanted to be a knight and ride on his horse dressed in a suit of armor. But there were no knights anymore. The world had changed and nobody wore shiny armor anymore. Nor did anyone have magical adventures in strange, faraway lands. Still, this did not stop Don Quixote. He decided to dress up in his great grandfather's rusty armor and go off in search of adventure. He didn't care what other people thought of his ideas. Once Don Quixote was in his armor and mounted on his bony old horse named Rocinante. Even his squire Sancho Panza laughed until his sides hurt. However, Don Quixote didn't care, such was his confidence. Do you want me to make you the ruler of some distant land, Sancho? Said the knight. Sancho stopped laughing. Yes, he cried. Well, get on your donkey and come with me, said Don Quixote. We will have some wonderful adventures together. After many days of riding, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza came to a large field. Look at the giants, cried the knight. What giants? asked Sancho. Over there, see those gigantic outstretched arms. Where? I don't see any giants, said Sancho. All I see are windmills. There, Sancho, look there. Don Quixote was pointing at the windmills. His eyes rolled with excitement. His head was so full of magic and adventures that he thought the windmills were giants. I don't see any giants, Sancho said firmly, hoping to change the mind of his fanciful friend. You are stupid, Sancho, said Don Quixote. They are giants and I am going to fight them. Before Sancho could utter another word, Don Quixote charged forward on his horse, lowering his lance. Just as he reached the first windmill, the wind began to blow, and the great arms of the mills creaked slowly around. Watch out, Don Quixote! Yelled Sancho, but it was too late. His lance stuck into one of the windmill's blade, and he was swept off his horse and high into the air. He fell with a loud clang to the ground, and his helmet turned the other way on his head. Didn't I tell you they were windmills, Sancho? As he ran over to help his friend get on his feet, they were changed into windmills by magic. They are really giant. Then Don Quixote had an idea. Quick, Sancho, get me my saddlebag. My magic ball is in it. I will show these giants they could fool me. Sancho rushed over the Rosante and got the saddlebag. He took out the ball, filled it with curd. Perhaps Don Quixote had added a magic to the curd. Give me the ball, said the brave knight. I will wear it on my heart and turn the windmill into giant. But the ball flew off. Too late. Don Quixote had already put the ball on his head. The curd began to drip all over his face. Help, Sancho, help! My brain is melting. Sancho, my brain is melting. Those wicked giants have cast a spell on me. Oh, Don Quixote, Sancho couldn't stop laughing. Let's go home. We will come another day when the wind is not blowing and get those giants, he said finally. All right, we will go, but just till I can get my brain fixed. I'm not giving up. I am a knight and someday I will be a hero. Well, students, we narrated the chapter The Man Who Fought Windmill. I hope you like the animation of the video. Okay, good. Now, characters of the story. There are mainly two characters, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza. There are mainly two animals also there you have seen in the video. One is horse and another is donkey. Donkey is for the Sancho and horse is for the Don Quixote, and the name of the horse is Rocinante. Now the moral of the story, living in a dream world can get us into trouble. आपने देखा होगा क्लासरूम में भी whenever we used to be in dream, then teacher used to say, come back, वापिस आ जाओ, yes, be physically present here, okay. It means it will be harmful for us. Now we will talk about who is Don Quixote. Don Quixote is a gentleman who wanted to become a knight. Do you know what is knight? Yes? Yodha, good. He wanted to become a knight and he used to live in a castle. Castle means mahal, palace, yeah. Now, Sancho. Who is Sancho? Sancho is a farmer and he's a good friend of Don Quixote. He always helped him and he always be with him. There is a horse named Rocinante. He is a bonny and weak horse of Don Quixote. Okay, now there is one more video we will send to you which will help you to understand the chapter more. In that video, we have explained the every part of the story very clearly. हमने आपको सब कुछ अच्छे से समझाया नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. I hope you will get it. Okay? How Don Quixote was in his dream. He always used to dream of adventures. He thought that I will become the glorious one and I will be the famous. तभी तो उन्होंने देखा होगा ना windmill को giant बना दिया और सांचो ने उनको stop किया था. Please stop. It's not giant. It is a windmill. But वो नहीं रुके and he stuck. And again he told him to give me the ball, I will make him again. He wanted to fight at the last. Please students, enjoy the chapter, read the chapter thoroughly 2 times, 3 times, see the video and enjoy your time at your home. Please अच्छे से पढ़िए और enjoy कीजिए. If you are feeling any problem, you can WhatsApp to us और अपने parents को बोलिए please narrate the story 2 times, 3 times daily. Okay?